Albert Einstein was born in 1899 in Ulm, Germany. As a child, he was fascinated by simple things. A compass sparked his curiosity. What force guided the needle? This simple question ignited a lifelong passion to understand the universe. Young Albert struggled in school. He didn't like rote learning. His mind was hungry for knowledge, seeking deeper meaning beyond textbooks. He found comfort in math and physics. These subjects spoke to him. They offered a way to unlock the secrets of the universe. Einstein's path to greatness wasn't straightforward. He faced early setbacks. His first attempt to get into the Swiss Polytechnic school failed. But he didn't give up. He never stopped questioning, never stopped learning. His persistence paid off. He finally got admitted to the Polytechnic. From there, his journey to revolutionize our understanding of the universe began. His story is a testament to the power of curiosity and the importance of fostering a love of learning. 1905 was a really important year in the history of science. It was the year a young patent clerk, Albert Einstein, published 4 super important papers. These papers, which he wrote in his spare time, totally changed physics. Each paper was a revolutionary leap forward. First, he explained the photoelectric effect. This paper laid the foundation for quantum theory. It showed that light can act like both a wave and a particle. Second, with his work on Brownian motion, he gave solid proof that atoms exist. This paper cleared up any remaining doubts about atomic theory. Third, he revealed his theory of special relativity. This theory changed how we understand space and time. It showed that these concepts weren't absolute, but relative to the observer. Finally, he came up with the iconic equation E equals mc squared. This equation showed that mass and energy are basically the same thing. This paved the way for the development of nuclear energy. Einstein's journey to understand the universe didn't end with special relativity. He felt his theory was incomplete. It couldn't explain gravity. He embarked on a long journey to create another theory. This journey led him to general relativity. This new theory, published in 1915, was even more revolutionary than special relativity. It explained that gravity is not a force. Instead, it's a curvature in the fabric of space-time caused by mass and energy. Imagine a bowling ball placed on a trampoline. The ball creates a dip in the fabric. Similarly, massive objects warp space-time. General relativity made several amazing predictions. It predicted that light would bend around massive objects. It also predicted the existence of black holes, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. In 1919, a total solar eclipse provided a chance to test Einstein's theory of general relativity. Astronomer Arthur Eddington led an expedition to observe this eclipse. The goal was to measure the positions of stars near the sun. According to general relativity, the sun's gravity should bend starlight, making the stars appear slightly shifted from their usual positions. The results of the expedition strongly confirmed Einstein's theory. The observed positions of the stars matched the predictions of general relativity. Overnight, Einstein became a global celebrity. He was hailed as a genius who had revolutionized our understanding of the universe. His name became synonymous with intelligence. His image, with his unruly hair and thoughtful gaze, became iconic. Part 5. Finding refuge and fueling discovery in America. In the 1930s, the rise of Nazi Germany cast a shadow over Europe. Einstein, a Jewish scientist, faced growing persecution. He made the difficult decision to leave Germany. In 1933, he moved to America. He found a new home at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. There he continued his scientific pursuits. He focused on the search for a unified field theory. He believed this theory would unite all of nature's forces. Einstein never achieved his goal of a unified theory, but his work at Princeton continued to push the boundaries of physics. He remained a vocal critic of quantum mechanics, even as it gained widespread acceptance. His skepticism stemmed from his belief in a deterministic universe, governed by known laws, rather than chance. Section 6. Unintended consequences. Einstein and the atomic bomb. In the 1930s, the shadow of war was looming. Fearing that Nazi Germany was developing an atomic bomb, Einstein signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt. This letter urged the United States to begin its own atomic research program. Written by Leo Szilard, this letter would have a profound impact on the course of history. It led to the Manhattan Project, a top-secret effort to build the atomic bomb. Einstein himself did not work on the Manhattan Project. He was considered a security risk due to his pacifist beliefs. He later deeply regretted signing the letter. He had hoped to prevent a Nazi atomic bomb. Instead, he helped unleash a weapon of unimaginable destructive power. Section 7. A Voice for Peace and Equality. Einstein was a huge supporter of peace and social justice. He strongly hated war. He considered it a pointless waste of human life. He believed that conflicts could only be resolved through dialogue and understanding. He was also a staunch supporter of civil rights. He had witnessed the evils of racism and discrimination firsthand. He spoke out against the discrimination and segregation faced by African Americans in the United States. He corresponded with Webb Du Bois and other civil rights leaders. He saw parallels between the treatment of Jews in Nazi Germany and African Americans in the United States. He considered racism America's biggest disease. His courage to speak out against injustice, even when it was unpopular, made him a powerful voice for change. Section 8. Beyond the Equations, the Man Behind the Genius. Albert Einstein wasn't just a brilliant physicist, he was a man of many talents. He loved music, he played the violin, he found comfort in the music of Bach and Mozart. He was known for his wit and humor. He often used thought experiments and analogies to explain complex scientific theories. He was a humble man. He never let fame go to his head. He was friendly and kind, even to strangers. He loved nature. He enjoyed sailing and walking in the woods. He was inspired by the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Section 9. Einstein's Enduring Legacy, a Beacon of Inspiration. Albert Einstein left a deep mark on the world. His scientific contributions changed our understanding of the universe. His theories of relativity are the foundation of modern physics. His work laid the groundwork for countless technological advances, from GPS navigation to nuclear energy. But his legacy extends far beyond science. He is remembered as a visionary thinker, a kind humanitarian, and a courageous advocate for peace and equality. His life story is a testament to the power of curiosity, the importance of challenging beliefs, and the courage to stand up for what is right. Even today, his words and actions continue to inspire generations of scientists, thinkers, and dreamers around the world. Einstein showed us that the universe is a strange and wonderful place, full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. He taught us to never stop questioning, never stop exploring, and never stop striving for a better future.